Start
Right, so we're going to show you guys how you can add products onto Pinterest, which is really good for SEO. So this is obviously the back end of Pinterest. Will give you all the logins you need to get in here. But what essentially we're doing is adding products from the client's website to Pinterest. So the first step is you'll go to the client's website. You can see we're using Iron Crafts. You can pick any product that you like. You've got a range of different ones. But for the purposes of this video, we're just going to choose overlooking thread. Click into the page, you can see there's two different types. Choose whatever one you want. We'll go with this one. Once it loads up, you'll see that you've got different colors. And then we want to choose maybe 2 to 3 different colors. So just save them to your desktop, save image. And then we'll go for this one as well, to save it. Once you've saved all the images, you then want to go to Canva, and then we can see that we've already got predetermined dimensions. So this thing here is the ideal dimensions for Pinterest. You can see that's one we created earlier. So then we're moving on to the second one. So what you want to do is you want to upload your images, and then you can select all 3 at the same time. And you'll notice that they all have a white background, but we want to remove them because we want it to be right on brand. So how do we do that? Click on the image. In the top left here, you'll see effects. I'm going to click on effects, and then you can see this here. It says background remover. Click on background remover, and in a couple seconds, the magic happens. And you can see the background is gone.
Now, I just want to say, anybody watching this in the future, the reason we're doing this is Pinterest is the 3rd largest search engine. This client is e-commerce, which means it sells things online. And the more traffic you get, the better. So someone hopefully will be looking for this. They'll come and they'll buy more. That's the reason we're doing this. Sorry, Stel.
No worries. So we can just quickly just create a little graphic. And there we go. So once we're happy with the graphic we've created, we'll then download the file, or the image rather, quickly download it, and then it's back over to Pinterest where we were at the beginning to actually be able to upload. So once we get into the back end here, you can see here it says create pin. So before we quickly do that, we'll just upload the image into here, and you can see that that's been uploaded. So then the important stuff here is obviously your title, the alt text, and the destination. So how do we determine what the title is? So we go back to what the product's called. So we can say we see it's called overlooking thread. So then we want to go into Google, and you want to type in overlooking thread. Then Google will come up with recommendations that people generally search for. So we'll find one that we think is relevant. So for us, overlooking thread colons UK is really relevant to our client. So that's what we actually call our title. And then we'll just quickly copy this and make the alt text the same. The destination link is the link that we went to from the original website. So you can see this is the product page. This is where we want people to go so that they can buy our products. Back into Pinterest, add the destination link. That's all done. Then at the top here, you've got select. So we've got an arts and crafts board that we want to publish it to. Just select it. And once you're happy with how it is, click publish. And that's it, job done.
Magic's happened. So what we'll do in a couple of weeks' time, we'll go back there. We'll go onto Google and look. Still, do you mind opening Google and typing in overlooking threads UK? So look, when you type it now, and then you look at images right at the top. Those images, you'll find, if this is all correct, that we will then be on that very first page for images, which then affects SEO. So that is it. So I'll